You were looking for a CSO course online and came across a couple. You signed up for one, completed the course, now you have your CSO certificate on hand and probably wondering what's next. I'm going to only emphasize how we operate and what it means for us to have a construction safety officer working with us. CSO is a construction safety officer, the person who deals and coordinates safety on site. And due to a high demand of this position, the person must be knowledgeable in handling multiple or different circumstances on site, including dispute resolutions, accident investigations, logistical issues, and simply day-to-day operations. All of this comes with experience on the job for many of us. We found a way to expedite the knowledge part by using our 10-day rule for a CSO. 10-day rule is where CSO takes charge of the safety on site in a methodical way following a CSO roadmap. I will give you some examples of the first 2 days out of 10. The role of a CSO is to identify, to inspect, then to discuss. Find the person who is responsible for the task, equipment, or an area. Then the CSO must solve or delegate to a responsible person to correct or improve the subject matter. 10-day rule, day number 1, documentations, activities, and inspections. A, introduction to management staff and labor force for general contractor or subcontractor. B, inspect and disinfect first aid room or first aid facility and take an inventory of supplies that you have. C, orientations, 1 or 2 a day. D, 2 site inspections, 1 at 9 a.m., 1 at 3 p.m. E, inspect emergency evacuation stations. F, inspect the site safety plan, rescue plan, and a fire plan on the safety board by the trailers. G, site logistics and traffic control management plan. H, noise bylaw and work time hours. I, signage. J, doing an inventory of things you might be missing. Fire extinguishers, air horns, eye wash bottles. K, daily sign-in sheets. And L, radios. All of the above needs to be documented, looked after, and also inspected. That is for day number 1 out of 10 for 10-day rule. Day number 2, documentations, site activities, and inspections. A, public safety. We all know public safety is number 1. Traffic control management plan, road and sidewalk housekeeping. B, inspect and add safety signage and directional arrows on fences and trailers if it's missing. C, inspect and ensure safe access egress from and to site and buildings. D, inspect, correct, and improve guardrails, handrails inside the buildings, ladders on site, scaffolding, and more. E, inspect, correct, and improve excavations, equipment, mobile equipment, aerial devices on site, and more. As you can see, the scope of a CSO is large. However, once the CSO got things under control, they will have freedom to do the day-to-day activities easily. If you're interested in learning more about our 10-day rule, connect directly with us and follow us for more videos.